Introducing the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer with Dualzone technology, the game changer in air frying. This innovative appliance is the first of its kind, equipped with 2 independent baskets that enable you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. Say goodbye to back-to-back cooking and hello to ultimate efficiency. With Dualzone Technology's Smart Finish feature, you can now enjoy perfectly cooked meals where both foods finish at the same time, taking your culinary experience to a whole new level. Here are the key features of Ninja Dz201 Foodi 8-quart 6-in-1 Dualzone. Revolutionary independent baskets. The Ninja Foodi air fryer is a trailblazer in the air frying world, featuring 2 independent baskets. This XL air fryer allows you to cook 2 foods in 2 different ways simultaneously, eliminating the need for back-to-back cooking like traditional single-basket air fryers. Prepare a variety of dishes with ease, and enjoy the convenience of having 2 separate cooking spaces in one compact appliance. Smart Finish and Match Cook. Thanks to Dualzone technology, you have 2 incredible features at your fingertips. The Smart Finish feature ensures that both foods finish cooking at the same time, saving you precious minutes. Alternatively, the Match Cook button allows you to effortlessly copy settings across zones, maximizing the full 8-quart capacity of the air fryer. Prepare delicious meals with confidence, knowing that every element will be cooked to perfection. Versatile 6-in-1 functionality. The Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 air fryer offers a range of versatile cooking programs, catering to all your culinary desires. From crispy air fry and juicy air broil to succulent roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate functions, this appliance has got you covered. Prepare a wide variety of meals, snacks, and desserts with ease and precision. The dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup a breeze, ensuring that your post-cooking routine is just as effortless as the cooking process itself. Ample XL capacity. With an impressive 8-quart capacity, the Ninja Foodi air fryer allows you to prepare mains and sides simultaneously, making quick family meals a reality. No more juggling between multiple cooking sessions. Whether you're craving crispy French fries or perfectly cooked chicken wings, this air fryer can accommodate up to 4 pounds of your favorite foods. Embrace the freedom of preparing complete meals without compromise. Enhanced cooking experience with separate heating zones. The Ninja Foodi air fryer features 2 independent 4-quart zones, each equipped with its own cooking basket, cyclonic fan, and rapid heater. This design ensures optimal heat distribution and consistent cooking results for both foods. Enjoy even and perfectly cooked dishes every time, with the added convenience of separate heating zones. Effortless cleaning and healthier cooking. Cleaning up after cooking is a breeze with the Ninja Foodi air fryer. The easy-to-clean baskets and dishwasher-safe crisper plates make maintenance a hassle-free experience. Additionally, this appliance promotes healthier cooking, with up to 75% less fat compared to traditional frying methods. Indulge in your favorite foods guilt-free without compromising on taste or texture. Wide temperature range for culinary precision. The Ninja Foodi air fryer offers a wide temperature range from 105 degrees F to 450 degrees F, providing you with the flexibility to gently remove moisture from foods or quickly cook and crisp them using convection heat. With precise temperature control, you can achieve the perfect results for a variety of recipes and ingredients, unlocking endless culinary possibilities. What's included? Your Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 air fryer comes with the Dualzone air fryer itself, 2 4-quart baskets, 2 non-stick crisper plates, 15 recipes to inspire your culinary adventures, and additional meal options and cooking charts to expand your repertoire. Conclusion. Experience a new era of air frying with the Ninja Foodi 6-in-1 8-quart 2-basket air fryer. This innovative appliance combines convenience, versatility, and efficiency, allowing you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously. With its Smart Finish feature, Match Cook button, independent heating zones, and easy-to-clean design, the Ninja Foodi air fryer ensures exceptional culinary results with minimal effort. Elevate your cooking experience and enjoy healthier, flavorful meals with this revolutionary kitchen companion.